If you are a do-it-yourself homeowner, then you are more than likely using different power tools to complete various tasks, from circular saws to drills and everything in between. In this video, we're going to take a look at the best rated power tool combo kits for 2021. As always, if you've not done so already, please subscribe to our channel to ensure that you are notified of new videos once they are available. Before we look at the best rated power tool combo kits for 2021, it is important to understand what tools you will need and will use. The cost of these kits range from a couple $100 up to $2,000 and more. Also, understanding the voltage of the batteries is key, as this also will affect the price of the combo kits. All the kits that we're looking at in this video are cordless. These will be the following brands that will be covered in this video: Makita, DeWalt, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Ryobi, Rigid, Milwaukee, and Bosch. Most of these kits range from 2 to 12 different tools within the kit. So without further delay, let's look at the best rated power tool combo kits for 2021. There you have it, our list of the best rated power tool combo kits for 2021. If you enjoyed our video, please feel free to give us a thumbs up. We welcome all comments. All the tool combo kits will be listed in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Lance saying cheers!